Nice move for a Vivo 33. Oh, correction, that's a 25 for 3 short. Ayun na, nagmamadali ang Vivo. Steal. Crossover. Oh, there's a foul. That's a holding foul. Nice move. Basket for Halandoni. Mabasapat ang Kalamangan. What a nice reverse layup for Vivo. 33-31. Up and under. Wala. Running shot, wala pa rin. Oh, nice move for Vivo. Tabla tayo sa 33. Oh, another step in on the line. Time out muna. All 33. With the time remaining 7 minutes and 12 seconds.
Ano na kaya ang gawin ng yung Samsung? Ay, bola pala ng Vivo. Hindi ko yung nakalagyan. Alam ko,
Wow! Tarug 4-3, no good. Vivo basketball. Number 7, pass number 3. No good. Block from behind. Patrick Abe, fade away. Basket for Patrick Abe. Oh, another steal. Wala pa rin. Steal by Patrick Abe. Abe, binigay. Pass to Patrick Abe. What a nice hook shot for Patrick Abe. 39. 33. Palak drive. Palak, in and out. Rebound by Palak. Gets the putback. 35-39. Babasa apat ang lamang ng Team Vivo. Paulite. Cross-court pass. Oh, ano ba? Oh, steal. Tarog with a putback. Alandoni, putback, wala. Open cross. Pass number 31. Number 7 behind the back. Wala. Rebound by Palak. Oy! Oy! Konti ka na. Vivo basketball. Patrick Abe. Boom! Yes, sir. Ilista mo na sa tindahan. May Patrick Abe. Robert, didiskarte. Robert, babawi sa 3. Wala. Rebound. Ang Vivo. Alandoni, babawi rin. In and out. Uy, wala. Number 7, too strong. Ay. Palak. Oh, steal. Pass number 19 to number 7. Basket. 43-37. Palak. Basket for Palak. With the veterans move down by 4. 43-39. Paulide. Patrick Abe, drop pass. Tumira, wala. Rebound ng Samsung. Remy, didiskarte. Hand off. 4-3, short. Rebound ng Vivo. Number 9, number 2, didiskarte. Uy! What a pass. Patrick Abe. Oh, bad pass. Time out. Substitution na po para sa both team. Time remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Alandoni. In and out. Alandoni. Wala. Drop pass. Basket. Ayan ang Vivo. High pick up. Floater. Wala. Rebound again. Number 15. No good. Rebound. Oy! Wala. Good defense para sa Vivo. And apat na lamang po ang hinahabol ng Samsung. Palak with the ball. Palak. Yellow short, umatake, drop pass, nabitawan, gets the foul. Alright.
Lamang ng 4, 47-33. Patrick Alves, setting the play. Cabrera, once again, setting the play. Uy, nice over. Nice pass. Ay,
Bakit? For Bibo. Ayan na, wrong. 13 seconds. 9, 8. Floater, wala. Bang! Alright, at dito na po natapos sa ating third period. Nagkaroon na tayong technical error. 51-43, magbabalik tayo para sa ating fourth and last quarter.